So this week in the Tarentaise Valley, which includes Tignes, Val d'Isere and Sainte-Foy, it has been crazy. We have had 2 sessions of rain up to 2,900, but we've also had some really great spells of sunshine. So let's rewind the clock and we'll have a look at this week. Wipe, wipe. So Monday came the rain, and sadly the rain all the way up to 2,700 meters. Now inside I'm crying, can't believe it. The Darth Vader jacket is on, I've got over mitts to actually keep my hands dry, and we have complete whiteout. Stick around to the end for my tip of the week.
I'll stop probing, yeah?
Yeah, stop probing. It's going to be... It's time. So Tuesday has arrived and so has the blue sky. So this is the effects of the rain that we have. Everything from a particular angle is just sliding down, loose fall mainly, but not slab. Some more debris over there. My goggles have been upside down pretty much most of the day, and my group hasn't even told me.
It's Bugs Bunny's surprise look, isn't it?
I'll tell you what.
What are we doing?
Something wrong with that.
It's not the most comfortable position, but hey.
So temperatures this week has been hot. I reckon it's between 7 and 8 degrees higher than this time last year. Wednesday on the free flow ski and the powder mad ski touring course, we've come up and we're ski touring up to the lovely Col de Grasse.
I wish to be someone better, help me with this comparison.
the backcountry on the Wednesday, it's actually spring conditions. It's been absolutely amazing, really warm. We're looking at around 8-9 degrees, probably too much warmth compared to last year. The avalanche activity has been really quite a lot on south faces, so just be aware of that as well. The avalanche rating scale has actually come down from a 3 down to a 2, so some aspects are really quite consolidated. Just be aware of dangers above more than anything, and if there's anything coming up above that's unstable, that will come down.
I wish to be someone better.
I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who's supporting this channel and pressing the like and comment. We're nearly there. I would love to get to 5,000 subscribers. Day 5, Saint-Foy over the back, down to Lake Club.
This comparison. Calming misty. Mysterious.
So for the avalanche level, it has been a little bit of a seesaw this week. We've literally had some rain and heavy loading, so the avalanche level came up to a 3 out of 5 at the beginning of the week, and then it consolidated down with good weather and stability to a level 2, and now it's actually flipped the other way around. And with the warm temperatures, what's happened is that above 3,000 is actually the safest, and down below it's a 1/3. All right. And a shout out to Martin, who I bumped into at the top of the Grand Prix in Val d'Isere. Thank you for the coffee. To George and Johnny and Dougie, who are actually coming out Easter weeks and also on the 30th of March. And to Adam, who's never been in this area but keeps watching the videos, and Camilla, who said hello to me in the cafe next to the Grand Prix chairlift. Thank you everybody for my coffee. I really enjoy it, and it really is keeping me up and my energy levels up to the end of the season. So if you want to donate me a coffee, push me through to the end of the season, I'll put the link in the description below, and thank you very much. So 157 lifts are open out of 162 in Val d'Isere and Tignes. So looking into next week, we've got a bit of disturbance over the weekend, a bit of precipitation, snow and rain, but the temperature is really dropping and the snow limit's coming down to 1100 and then creeping up again. After that, we've got more stable weather throughout the week, but winds are picking up. So just be aware that temperatures are going to get a lot colder. So my tip of the week is, if you can, stay really high, like up the Grand Mont Glacier or even in the Val d'Isere as well. That is where the good snow is this time of year. They're really in good condition at high end. High end, no. So if you can stay high on north. So looking into next week, literally, no. And a shout out to Martin, who I bumped into at the top of the Grand Prix in Val d'Isere last week. Johnny and no. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.